Apple's WWDC 2024 will take place from June 10th to June 14th, with the keynote scheduled for June 10th at 1 p.m. ET. This year's event will showcase major software updates, focusing significantly on artificial intelligence advancements. Key announcements include iOS 18, which features AI-powered enhancements such as improved Siri functionality, AI-assisted messaging, and a customizable home screen. iPadOS 18 will receive similar updates, aligning closely with iOS 18. WatchOS 11, while primarily a minor update, will integrate new AI functionalities and potential health monitoring upgrades. Additionally, macOS 15 will bring new features to enhance Mac performance and usability. For the Apple Vision Pro headset, visionOS 2 will introduce new native apps and enhanced capabilities. The conference, available online for all developers, will include a special in-person event at Apple Park on the opening day, featuring detailed announcements and sessions throughout the week.